Yes, I'm back again. Going to burp probably, but this time I want you guys to decide what I say and what I burp. Even though I like to decide what I think is funny, but I like to let you guys pick. And so for the future videos I create, I want you guys to pick and tell me what you think you'd like me to say or do on the videos. But I've been trying to master the skill of the ABCs in all of one burp. Here, I'll give it a try. Haven't quite mastered it, but excuse me. I'm gonna beat you, alright? I'm gonna beat you, alright? But from now on, I would like you guys to decide on what I say and what I do on the videos to make it more user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you add more comments and subscribe so I can tell you, so you can tell me what you want me to say on my future videos. Thanks, and
see you later.